Welcome to GS2 WebSauce Courseware by GSheetPress. Want to sell your course? In this video, we'll connect Stripe to your course so students can pay and enroll step by step. First, head to your Stripe dashboard and create a new product for your course. Give it a name, a description, and set your price. Once your product and price are set up, copy the Stripe price ID or checkout reference. You'll need this in the next step. Now switch over to Courseware, open your course and head to the payment settings. Paste in the Stripe details you copied earlier and save. This links your course to the Stripe product so payments flow through correctly. Before you go live, always test it. Log in with a student account, go through checkout, and confirm the payment and enrollment work as expected. That's it. Your course is now set up for Stripe checkout and ready to sell.